Hello, I just want to show you how I use my colored pencils all the way till the end and I don't waste them. Most of you know that artist colored pencils are pretty expensive and it would be sad to throw your little stubs away. So I did make a couple of videos to show you exactly how to do it, but I wanted to, now that I have a bunch of them that are really small that I can show you, I thought I'd make this quick little video. So if you watch my colored pencils videos, you might see me use these guys and you might be wondering what the heck are these? And they're Prismacolor Premier pencils. I've got a box here of, I know it's messy, sorry, but those that I use most often, the colors that I use most often. And I have a mug of my special ones here. They're my little stubs, which if they're still big enough, I use them in a McDonald's straw like this as a pencil extender. But when they get even smaller, it's gonna get really hard to sharpen that way if they're really small. So I use some cheap graphite pencils and I glue them to the ends, and so when they turn really small like these, I can still sharpen them right through, and I use all of it. You can see here I'm down to the last bit, and that way I only throw away just a few millimeters of pencil and I save a lot of money. This is very easy to do. This one here, for instance, I might be able to use a little bit more, but I don't think I'll be able to sharpen it anymore. But this is a Darwin drawing pencil, and the end is rounded. So what I do basically is I use some sanding paper, and then I rub it down, just a little rounded piece here. I sand it down to make it flat, and then I can just glue it to the end of my graphite pencil. It's very easy, very fast. It just really helps me save a lot of money like that. I think that's about it. You could, if you want, if you have the new replacement pencil. Once this one is too small, I can't use it anymore, I have a new one. You could glue them together, but I found that it kind of gets awkward. I've done some with like full length graphite pencils, but it's a little awkward. It's not bad, but you know, I like to have the half of it better. So here it might be a little awkward, this length here. But it's up to you. It will work the same, and you will be able to sharpen it right through. Just know that the very last little bit here, like if I can sharpen it maybe one more time, but the last little bit will fall off, and then you can still sharpen it right through and keep going. So there's really no waste. Hope it's helpful. Go watch the 2 full-length videos showing you how to do it in more details. I hope now it clarifies those weird looking pencils, and I hope you like this little tip. I'll see you soon. Bye.